Welcome to a new Kosher Goods review. Today we have Vidal Dipper Fruit candies, Caramello Blando, chewy caramel. So this some kind of fruit candy, and it comes with 5 different flavors. We have a lemon, cherry, strawberry, what is this? Orange and pineapple. Looks good. They are soft, feels soft inside. I like soft fruit candies. 70 grams per pack, and Vidal Golosinas SA. It's in Molina de Segura, Murcia, Spain. So this is Spanish candy actually. Spanish candies, sounds interesting. Let's see the nutrient values. Okay, we have a lot of sugar, 84 sugar, and almost 0 protein. So these candies, I think this will be super unhealthy, but it doesn't matter, because fruit candies are good. So, let's see how it looks inside. Nice wrapper, easy to open, like, just comes out like this. And smells fresh. What about this one? This one is orange. Smells good. Let's go ahead and taste them up. Here we go. Let's see if Vidal Dipper Fruit tastes any good. So I think we should start with this strawberry one that we opened before. Strawberry. So sweet. But it's actually not that sweet. It's not too sweet. I like the chewiness of this candy. Chewy candies, they're the best. But make sure to brush your teeth really well after this, because it's going to between your teeth really deep. Gluten free. That's good for the gluten free guys. It's okay candy. I like. Not so strong strawberry flavor, to be honest. Let's see the orange one. Yeah, I'm getting some orange here. It's a nice candy. What? They're supposed to have 5 different flavors, but all I can find is they only have strawberry, orange, and 1 pineapple. Like, these are the candies it has inside. Look, these are the candies. So we opened 1 orange, we opened 1 strawberry, and these are the remaining. Look. So it only has orange, strawberry, and 1 pineapple. But it's completely missing the cherry and the lemon flavors. Like the lemon, it would have been my favorite, but there's no lemon. That's a scam. They clickbait me. Let's see the pineapple then. The final flavor. Nice color. Oh yeah, this is the best so far. Tastes just like the pineapple. Really fresh. No, I have to make complaint to this address. To send them a letter to Spain. Why you clickbait me? You promised 5 different flavors, I only get 3. Unbelievable. Maybe there's a package wrong, let's see. Is this strawberry again? Yeah, it's strawberry again. They didn't pack it wrongly. So yeah, that was the Vidal Dipper Fruit. I think it's okay fruit candy. I like how chewy it is, but really unhealthy, lot of sugar. And I think there's some other better brands like Chewies. I don't know the name of it, but maybe it's called Chewies, the one with dinosaur logo, the dinosaur mascot on it. Yeah. The worst part about is that they clickbait you into, look, 5 flavors, but you only get 3. So I think that's really bad. This would have got like, maybe like even, yeah, 8.5 out of 10 of taste. It's really solid fruit candy. But since they clickbait me, I have to lower it down to 6. It's gonna be 6. If it was 1 flavor missing, it would have been like 7.5. But 2 flavors missing from them all, and only strawberry and orange, it's gonna be 6. 6 out of 10 to Vidal Dipper Fruit. So yeah, they should send me compensation packets with all the different flavors. Yeah. But yeah, make sure, comment below if you have tasted it before, and did you get all the flavors? Because I didn't get all the flavors. I really wanted to taste lemon and cherry one, because they would have been my favorites, I think. So really disappointed, but yeah. Comment below, thumbs up the video, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another epic consumer goods review. Thanks for watching.